Okay, so as you seen on the last video, I caught 4 swarms, and what I want to do today, it's probably been a little bit too long, but I want to go into these hives. I want to see if I got some brood, if I got a queen, see exactly what I've got in these hives, and I want to start moving them back to where I normally keep my bees. They recommend 3 foot a day, not to move more than 3 foot a day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop these down, you know, about 2 foot or so, whatever I have to hold them up, and then I'll start moving them towards where I keep my bees. So let's go take a look and see what we got. It's pretty heavy. The hardest part about this job is keeping the smoker going. Okay, got some bees in there. What we need to see is if we got a queen. And I see a problem with this hive already. It's leaking water, it's wet in the bottom, so that's going to be bad. I really need to get these swarm boxes taken care of. Okay, got some honey there, uncapped. And a little bit of capped honey. I'll show you kind of it's got a little mess in the bottom here. We'll see. Hopefully we can get these into a permanent hive here. I definitely got to get them out of the swarm box. I like to see fresh brood. They've been in here probably a little over 2 weeks. Probably just a little bit too long. There's the queen right there. Hopefully you can see that. So what I'm going to do, I got to get her out of these boxes. This swarm box. I'll show you what's going on inside here. They're doing good. So it's not all, there's some more brood. Hopefully in this new box it'll keep them from getting sick. Alright, so what's very important is that you have this part of the board going down, so any water that comes in is going to run out. Okay, so we are doing good, and what I wanted to show you is look at if you look in the inside of here, there's water, and so that is not good. Not good at all. Try to get rid of that. You can see there's dead bees in the bottom already, so we don't want that. Gotta get them all out. You see there's kind of a mess in there. You got some larvae, so they're obviously having issues with this, but they'll get it going and they'll find their new home. Let's move on to the next box. And hopefully this isn't too far gone. Hopefully I didn't mess up twice. Oh, it's heavy. Oh no. Are you kidding me? Never in all my life would I have dreamed that was full of water. Wow. Unbelievable. See some maggots in there. Awful. I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like this. Look at that. That is disgusting. Hopefully I did this one right, and what I did is I caught this one in a swarm box up here in the tree, and there were so many bees, I came out and dropped it down into a full frame. So hopefully we got something done right here, and we still got some bees and we got some larvae, and I can start moving this box slowly. There's a lot of bees in here. That's great. Got fresh comb up here. Looks like they're about ready for a super. So got a new battery, and we're going to open this hive up. There's no moisture in there, so hopefully we haven't been having the same leaking issue like we did on the other boxes. So let's take a look. It's not nasty, so that's all good. We got some honey in there, and just some pharaoh bees. But there's no mess, so that's a good thing. They're keeping the pest out. Okay, so what I'm just going to ease the big hive over into the wagon. That way I'll be able to gradually move it over to the yard. Try to do that without disturbing them.